Hello guys, in our today's video we are going to look at Integrated Science 2022 for internal candidate. So this paper usually carries 80 marks and the time is 2 hours 30 minutes. Okay, so let's start with the first question, which is question 5. So question 5 is saying the following diagrams show two instruments used when measuring mass and weight. So we have instrument X and instrument Y. Okay, so before we answer the questions, so let me just label the instruments. So as for instrument X, this one is the spring balance. Then instrument Y, this one here is the beam balance. Then as for X, that's the spring balance. Then instrument Y, that's the beam balance. Okay, so the spring balance is used to measure the weight of an object, and the beam balance is used to measure the mass of an object. Okay, so A is saying define the following. So we have Roman numeral number 1, which is the mass, 1 mark. Then Roman numeral number 2, that's weight, also 1 mark. So I'm going to say mass is the amount or quantity of matter in an object. So I'm saying mass is the amount or quantity of matter in an object. Then as for weight, I'm going to say weight is the pull of gravity on an object. Okay, then B is saying which instrument X or Y measures Roman numeral number 1, mass, 1 mark. Roman numeral number 2, weight, question mark, 1 mark. So as for mass, I've said it's beam balance, so I'm going to say instrument Y. Then as for weight, I'm going to say instrument X. That's our instrument. Yeah. Then as for C, saying what happens to the mass and the weight of an object when moved from place to place? So we have 2 marks there. So I'm going to say mass does not change. So mass remains constant, does not change. If you move from one place to another, mass remains constant. So I'm going to say mass remains constant while weight changes. Apart from that one, I'm going to use the definitions, or I'm going to use the units. So I'm going to say mass is measured in kilograms while weight is measured in newtons. So that's all that I have for you. See you next time. Bye.